Welcome to Think Mastermind. Application of PDE. Classification of second order PDE. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Unit 3 Application of partial differential equation. Now the first topic we are going to see classification of partial differential equation with second order. That is, considering partial differential equation of second order, a dou square u by dou x squared plus b into dou square u by dou x dou y plus c into dou square u by dou y squared plus d into dou u by dou x plus e into dou u by dou y plus f is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c d comma e and f are function of x and y. That is function of x and y. Here we are considering the two variable function, that is x and y are independent variable. U is a dependent on x and y, where a, b, c, d are function of x and y. So how to classify this partial differential equation? Just we are considering the second order derivative coefficient, that is a, b, c. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then equation 1 represent parabolic function. Similarly, b square minus 4ac less than 0, then partial differential equation 1 represent ellipse. b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then partial differential equation 1 represent hyperbola. Suppose I am considering partial differential equation dou square u by dou x squared plus dou square u by dou y squared is equal to 0. How to classify this equation? A value is equal to 1, b value is 0, that is coefficient of dou square u by dou x dou y is 0, and c value is equal to 1. So taking b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 minus 4 into a into c. A is 1, c is 1, therefore minus 4. So b square minus 4ac is minus 4, which is less than 0. Therefore the given partial differential equation, that is dou square u by dou x squared plus dou square u by dou y squared is equal to 0, represent elliptic equation or elliptic form. Consider another one example, dou square u by dou t square is equal to dou square u dou x dou y. So comparing this with the conic equation, a value is equal to 1, b value is 1, but c value is 0, that is second order derivative with respect to y is 0. Therefore b squared minus 4ac is, b square value is 1, a is 1, c is 0, that is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore the given partial differential equation is hyperbolic.
Take it.
Next one, classify partial differential equation uxx plus x into uyy is equal to 0. U is function of independent variable x and y. Uxx represent dou square u by dou x square and uyy represent dou square u by dou y square. So a value is equal to 1 and b value is equal to 0. C value is equal to x. Now I am taking b square minus 4ac value, that is equal to 0 minus x. According to the x value, I have to say that x given partial differential equation is represent parabola, hyperbola or ellipse. If x is equal to 0, PD is equal to, that is given partial differential equation is represent parabola. Similarly, if x is greater than 0, that is x takes positive value, then PD, given PDE represent greater than 0, already it is minus into plus, it is greater than 0, so you are getting the negative value, therefore it represent ellipse. If x is less than 0, the given partial differential equation represent hyperbola. If x is less than 0, that is x takes the negative value, already negative sign is there, negative into negative positive, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore the partial differential equation represent hyperbola. Now consider the another one more example, by square uxx minus 2 times of xy uxy plus x square uyy plus 3 times of ux minus 2 times of uy is equal to 0. So in this partial differential equation, we have to take only second order derivative coefficients. That's why a is equal to y square, b is equal to minus 2 times of xy, c is equal to x square. Now we are going to find what is the b square minus 4ac, that is b square value is minus 2xy square, that is 4x square y square minus 4 times of ac, a is y square, c is x square, that is equal to 0. Therefore given partial differential equation represent, the PDE represent parabola.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.